Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video.
And the other time where you can actually, you're not trying to like screw your customer over, but they don't have a choice and you don't have a choice. Like the app is going to put on like a 2x or a 1.5 is early in the morning. And a lot of people, they want to sleep in because they drove all night. But then the morning crowd, they can actually make a lot of money because the morning crowd, people need to get to work on time. Like they don't want to be late for work. They're not going to lose their job just because it's a 1.7 or a 2.1 or whatever, or even a 3 point. If you're lucky, like you get like a really good bonus. So people are going to pay that money because they don't want to be late for work. So like kind of like the early bird's going to get the worm. And if you wake up at like 5:30 or even 5, you get that morning crowd, especially like where I lived in LA traffic, like are you based in LA?
Yeah.
So it's like I lived in Koreatown and like the buses, like people are just missing buses because they're full already and there just wasn't enough public transit. And so I tried waking up for the morning crowd and I'm like, holy crap, I made like $100 in 3 hours just doing the morning. And then I could take like an afternoon break and then get back in the evening if I want. So that worked out pretty good.